If you're watching this, you're probably looking for ways to help your skin stay healthy, radiant, and youthful, even as the years go by. As we age, our skin naturally loses some of its strength, elasticity, and glow. That's why today, we're talking about one topic that so many older adults are curious about: collagen supplements. In this video, we'll explore what collagen actually is, how it affects your skin as you age, the right and safe way to use it, and what to look for when choosing a collagen powder. By the end, you'll have a clear and confident understanding of whether collagen is truly worth adding to your daily routine. 1. What is collagen and why it matters as we age? As the years pass, most of us notice small changes in our skin. It starts to feel thinner, drier, and less firm than it once was. One big reason for that is the gradual loss of collagen, the protein that acts like scaffolding beneath your skin, keeping it smooth, firm, and supported. When we're young, our bodies produce plenty of collagen. That's why skin looks plump, soft, and resilient in our early years. But as time goes on, that natural production slows down, quietly year after year. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and highlighted by Harvard Health, collagen production can begin to decline as early as your mid-20s. By the time you reach your 50s and beyond, that loss becomes much more visible, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and dryness. As we get older, our body's natural collagen production slows down. And that's when we start to notice the familiar signs of aging: fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin, and a gradual loss of elasticity. It's completely normal, but it's also something most of us would love to slow down if we could. Collagen isn't just a beauty protein. It's a vital part of your entire body. It supports your skin, bones, muscles, and joints, which is why many older adults take collagen not only to care for their appearance, but also to support overall comfort and mobility. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, suggests that hydrolyzed collagen, a type of collagen broken down into smaller, easier-to-absorb peptides, may help the body improve skin hydration and elasticity over time. Now, it's important to be realistic. Collagen isn't a magic fountain of youth. It works best when paired with healthy daily habits. Things like eating nutritious foods, staying hydrated, sleeping well, and protecting your skin from the sun. That said, several scientific reviews, including studies published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology, show that taking collagen peptides consistently for a few months can lead to smoother, more hydrated skin, with modest improvements in firmness and elasticity. So, no, collagen won't rewind the clock, but it can be one of those quiet, science-backed helpers that support graceful aging from the inside out. And when combined with a good skincare routine and a balanced lifestyle, it can help you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin at any age. Several clinical studies across the United States, Europe, and Japan have found that taking collagen peptides daily, for about 8 to 12 weeks, can noticeably improve skin hydration, elasticity, and even reduce the appearance of fine lines. For example, a 2021 review in the International Journal of Dermatology analyzed more than a dozen studies and discovered that people who took hydrolyzed collagen regularly experienced visible improvements in skin firmness and smoothness compared to those who took a placebo. These effects were most consistent when participants continued taking collagen for at least 3 months. And a more recent 2023 review, published by the National Library of Medicine, reached similar conclusions, showing that collagen peptides may support skin elasticity and hydration, especially in older adults. Researchers also pointed out something fascinating. Hydrolyzed collagen, the kind broken down into smaller amino acids, is easier for the body to absorb, allowing it to reach the skin through the bloodstream. That means the form of collagen you choose really matters. Even more interesting, collagen may do more than help your skin glow. Some studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggest it can also support joint health and bone density, 2 areas that naturally weaken with age. For older adults who experience stiffness or joint discomfort, collagen could be a gentle, natural addition to a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Still, experts, including those at the Mayo Clinic, remind us that results vary from person to person. Collagen supplements are not miracle cures or medical replacements, but they can be a simple, low-risk way to nourish your body's natural strength from the inside out. In short, collagen may not make you look 20 again, but it can help your skin and joints stay healthier as you grow older. And that, perhaps, is something truly worth smiling about. And always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, talk with your doctor. In the end, healthy aging isn't about trying to look young forever. It's about feeling strong, radiant, and at peace with who you are. A good collagen supplement might help you along that journey. But remember, the real glow always comes within, from kindness, from wisdom, from laughter, and from the care you give yourself every single day. Here's to aging gracefully, with strength in your step, warmth in your heart, and maybe a scoop of collagen in your morning coffee. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It truly helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos.